A lot of people get confused when it comes to their SNET deductions, their employer's contribution, paying of Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3. If you work in the formal or the informal sector, I expect you to know by now. But assuming you don't know, this video seeks to explain the basics of pensions. In Ghana, an employee can contribute a maximum of 35% of his basic salary as pension. So here is the breakdown of the 35%. So the individual contributes 5.5% and the individual's employer contributes 13%, making 18.5%. And the Tier 3 is very optional. If you want to contribute to the Tier 3, the maximum you can do is 16.5%. But let's see how the 5.5% you pay and the 13% your employer pays on your behalf is allocated to Tier 1 and Tier 2. Although you pay 5.5% and your employer pays 13%, 13.5% goes to Tier 1 and 5% goes to Tier 2. The Tier 1 is our pension. There is a difference between pensions and lump sum. So when someone goes on retirement and receives a bulk amount, that is lump sum. That is the 5% out of the 18.5%, which is lump sum, which is being managed by private fund managers. And 13.5% represents pensions. And pension is what people receive on monthly basis on their retirement. So there's a clear distinction between lump sum and pensions. So let's have a little illustration. If your basic salary is 10,000 Ghana cedis, then 5.5% of it will be 550 cedis, and your employer will pay 13% on your behalf. So 13% of 10,000 will be 1,300. 1,350 will be used for Tier 1, which is managed by SNET itself. And 500 cedis will go to your private fund managers as Tier 2. I hope we now do get the distinctions between the amounts you contribute to SNET, your employer's portion that is contributed, and how this amount is being segregated to Tier 1 and Tier 2. So you can follow for more insights of this sort. Thank you.